Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Solutions. So in today's video we are going to see some of the tricky coding interview questions which are asked in the interview. Okay, so let's start with the very first question. So this question is based on the string concept. Okay, so in the interview you may get this code snippet and interviewer may ask you what will be the output of this code. Okay, so let's see what will be the output of this code. In my IntelliJ, I have pasted the same code. Okay, so now let's see and understand what will be the output of this line number 9. Okay, so very first here we have created one string. Okay, so in the str1 we have the value as a. Okay, after that at the line number 4 we are concatenating this string 1 with the b. Okay, so currently in the string 1 we have the value as a, and at the line number 4 we are concatenating the a with the b, because in the string 1 we have a and then here we have written concat b. Okay, so here in the string 1 we will get the value as a b. Then in the line number 5 we have created the another string which has the value c. Okay, after that at line number 6 we are again concatenating the string 1 with the string 2. Okay, so currently in the string 1 what value we have? ab. Okay, so here first we have ab and then we are concatenating it with string 2. String 2 have the value as a c. Okay, so here in the string 1 we will be getting ABC. Okay, now here what we are doing, here we are replacing this string 1, means in the string 1 we are replacing the character C with the character D. Okay, so in the string 1 we have ABC, and now instead of C we will replace this C with the D. Okay, but here if we see we have not assigned this to any string. Okay, so that's why in the string constant pool the new object will get created with this abd as a value. Okay, but that object doesn't have any reference assigned, so that it will be eligible for the garbage collector. And in the string 1 still we will be having the value as a abc. Okay, so now here at line number 8 again we are doing string 1 dot concat string 2. Okay, so in the string 1 we have the value as a abc, and then with this abc we are concatenating string 2. String 2 is having the value as a c. Okay, so here we will again concatenate it. So in the string 1 we have the value as a abcc, and when we are writing system.out.println it will print abcc. Okay, so if I run this program it should print abcc. So see here we are getting abcc. Okay, now what we will do, I have just kept the debugger here and let's debug it. Okay, so I will start this in the debug mode. So currently our breakpoint is at line number 3. Okay, and in the string 1 if we do the next line, so in the string 1 we have a as a value. Okay, then at line number 4 we are concatenating the string 1 with b. Okay, so here we got ab, then we have created one string 2 and here we have assigned the value as a c. Okay, now again here we are concatenating the string 1 with string 2, and if you see here string 1 is having the value as a ab and string 2 is having the value as a c. So when we are doing the concatenation it will become abc. See here in the string 1 we have the value as a ABC. Okay, now here it will replace the C with the D, but as we have not assigned any reference here, it will be the new object and that object doesn't have any reference, so automatically it will be eligible for the garbage collector. Okay, so if I do the next line, then in the string 1 still we have the ABC. Okay, and again we are concatenating it with the string 2, so it will become ABC plus string 2, which is C. Means in the string 1 we will get the value as a ABCC. So see here, in the string 1 we got ABCC. Okay, now here we will get the output as a ABCC. Okay, so this way you can explain in the interview. So many people will confuse here and they will answer like their answer will be A, B, D, C. Okay, because they think that here we are replacing the C with the D. Okay, so in the string 1 we got A, B, D, and again here we are concatenating it with string 2, so they may answer A, B, D, C. Okay, but this is not the correct answer. I hope you understood this question. Okay, so now let me open the file. So first question is done and the answer for this question is A, B, C, C. Okay, so you should try this and then you are good to answer the question. Okay, now let's start with the second question, and the second question is based on the hash map concept. Okay, so let me just copy this code snippet and paste in our Java file. Okay, so here we need to import this. So let me import the map and hash map from java.util package. Okay, so now we are good. So here also interviewer will give you this code snippet and they can ask you what will be the output of this code. Okay, so you can think and give the answer. Now let's discuss what should be the answer for this code snippet. Okay, so very first here what we did, we have created one hash map where the key is string and the value is integer. Okay, so in the hash map we store key and values, right? And at line number 7 what we are doing, in this hash map we are putting the value the key as a ABC and the value as a 2000. Then we are putting the second key as a PQR and value as a 5000. After that we are putting XYZ and value as a 4000. Okay, then at line number 10 what we are doing, we are putting PQR with value 9000. Okay, so here you should know the concept of hash map. In the hash map key should be unique. Okay, so here when we are inserting the value ABC, PQR, XYZ and PQR, here the keys should be unique. Okay, we cannot duplicate the key, and here what we are printing hash map dot size. Okay, so many people will answer it as a 4 as we are inserting the 4 key value pairs, but if you know the hash map concept then the answer will be 3. Why? Because whenever we are writing hash map dot put PQR and the value will be now 9000, that time what will happen, the PQR key is already there and this 5000 value will be overridden and now the PQR value will be 9000. Okay, so in your hash map currently we have only 3 key value pairs, hence the hash map dot size will print 3. Okay, so now if I save this and run, you may see the output as a 3. So see here, we are getting the output as a 3. Okay, so now let's debug and understand one more time. Okay, so currently we are in line number 6. Okay, now if we just put here the hash map dot size, then here we may see the size. Okay, now let's go to the next line, and here we have put the first element in our hash map. Okay, now the second element we have kept as a PQR. So if you see here in the hash map, the size is 1 with the key as a ABC and value as a 2000. Okay, now let's go to the next line. So now we have kept these two elements. Okay, so that's why the size is 2, and if you see here, PQR is having the value 5000 and ABC is having the value 2000. Okay, now let's go to the next line. So now we have 3 elements, so this XYZ is added, and now if I go to the next line, you can see that this PQR key is the same, which is PQR, and the value for this PQR was previously 5000, but as soon as we put this PQR with the value 9000, it is overridden with this 9000. Okay, and still currently we have the size as a 3. Okay, so that's why we will get the output as a 3. So here we got the output as a 3. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. If you know the concept of the hash map, then you will answer it properly, but if you don't know the hash map, then maybe you can answer the question as a 4, but which is the wrong answer. Okay, so you should answer 3, as hash map contain the unique keys, and here we have if we see the unique keys, then we have 3 unique keys, which is ABC, PQR and XYZ. Okay, so that's why the answer will be 3. I hope this is clear now. Okay, now let's go to our questions. So 2 questions we have covered. Now let's go to the third question. Okay, so this third question is again related to the string and string builder. Okay, so let me copy this and paste in the IntelliJ. Okay, so here also the question is what will be the output of this code snippet. Okay, so now I have kept the debugger here, and now let's debug the program to understand what will be the output. Okay, so first let's see what we have written here. Okay, so very first we have created a string builder, okay, which has the capacity as a 5. Then we have created one empty string. After that, in the if, we are checking that each string builder equals to this string. Okay, and then if this condition is true, then we will print match 1. Otherwise it will come to else if, and it will, what it is doing, it is converting the string builder to the string, and then again it is comparing to our empty string. Okay, so if this condition is true, then it will print match 2. Otherwise it will come to the else and it will print match 3. Okay, so now let's debug this and see. So let me start the program in the debug mode. Okay, so very first we came to line number 6. Now let's go to the next. So in the SB we have empty string. Okay, this is the string builder. Then we have created the string empty string. Okay, now SB, in the SB also we have the empty string. in the S also we have the empty string. Okay, so now here we are checking SB dot equals S. Okay, but here if you see, SB is the string builder. Okay, in the string builder, means if we talk about the equals method from the string class, then the equals method from the string class is meant for the content comparison. Okay, but in the string builder we don't have, or we have not overridden this equals method. Okay, so that's why if you evaluate this, let's copy this and put here, and if you evaluate this is returning false, because in the string builder class we don't have equals method. Okay, so it will use the object class equals method, and object class equals method is meant for the reference comparison. Okay, not the content comparison, right? So here this CSB or the object of this string builder is in the different place, and this string S is a different object. Okay, so they are not on the same location. So even if the content are same, the reference is not same. Okay, so if I do the next, it will come to else if. Now here what we are doing, we are converting the string builder to string. Okay, so here we have converted the string builder to the string, and then we are comparing by using this equals method. Okay, so now this equals is coming from the string class, which is meant for the content comparison. Okay, and the content for this string builder and the string are same. Okay, if you see here, the content are same, both are empty. Okay, so that's why it will be true. So if you evaluate it, you will see that it is returning true, right? So if it is returned the true, it will come inside this else if and print match 2. If we go to the next line, see here it has printed match 2, and then program will end. So the output of above program will be match 2. Okay, so here you should know the string and string builder concept and the implementation of the equals method. Okay, so equals method which is present in the string class is meant for the content comparison. Okay, now we have covered almost 3 questions. Okay, now okay, this is 4th question. Okay, so I think I should stop here, and I will make the separate video for the other questions. Like we have almost 10 to 12 questions, so for now we have covered 3 questions, and I will make the another video for the remaining questions. I hope all the questions are clear. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment section. So thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.